Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today is Stitchfix Day. If you're super excited to watch this video and you love Stitch Fix, stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first item on top is this really soft camo sweatshirt, which I love. It has drawstrings and these are the sleeves, and it's not like tight at the bottom, it's loose fitting. So I'm excited to try this on. I love camo stuff. Okay, next. Oh, actually, let's read what that is. Oh, I'm sorry, moving too quick here. This is the Honey Punch Michelle Camo Knit Hoodie in color olive, which is really camo, extra small, and that's only $29. That is a steal for this sweatshirt. I really like that. Next is the maxi that she was talking about, which is this one. I love this maxi dress. Love it. It has some strings in the back here, and then it goes down. And does it cut? Okay, it has a little slit on the side, and it looks super long. This is the back, and this is the Paper Moon Wendy Lynn Knit Maxi Dress Olive Extra Small, and that is only $48. That's a great deal too. I like wearing these to work. They're really comfortable. Just throw a little cardigan over it and a little necklace and it looks so cute. So next item we have is, ooh, this is really pretty. I like this. Okay, I got it. All right, so this gray top here, I love these kind of tops. I actually kept one like this that was white in one of my fixes, and I love it. I wear it all the time. So this one here is the American Eagle Casey cross front knit top in dark gray, and it's an extra small, and that's only $28. That's another steal. These prices are amazing. Okay, next we have here is this top I can probably wear to work with some blue jeans and a cardigan. It's really lightweight. It is blue, and let's see what it is. It is the Paper Moon Fayette mixed material blouse in cobalt, size extra small. And that is $38, which can you tell I like blue? So yeah, that's really nice. It has a little V-neck, and in the front it's kind of sheer, and in the back it's like a different material, so it's really nice. And last but not least is some capris, which I asked for, and they have some distressing right here. And then there looks like they're cuffed at the bottom. And there's the front, and it has a little bit of distressing in the back. So these are the most expensive item in the box. Silver Jeans Company, Elise Distressed Straight Leg Capri in Indigo, and they're size 0, and they're $74. So what I'm gonna do is try everything on, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, and I'll let you guys know the total of my box and what I'm decided to keep. Okay, keep watching. Okay guys, so here is the camo hoodie that she sent me. It's super comfortable. It fits really nice. It's not too tight, not too loose, and it's really comfortable and soft, and I really like it a lot. It has the drawstrings. Love the camo print. Sometimes camo can be crazy, but this is just enough. It's really nice, and it's comfortable, and it's only $29, so this is a great price for an item. Okay guys, so here is the top, which is the American, I think it's the American Eagle, and this one is $28. This top is adorable. It fits me really nicely in the back and everything. I really like it with some, maybe, I have the capris on, but maybe some jean shorts or some white shorts or some black shorts. I really like this a lot. So here's the front. You can see it has these little strings, and then there's strings in the back, which is really cute. So it's So it's really nice. Next I have on the capris. They're a little bit big back here, but I probably can get them taken in. But they fit really nice. They're a little loose in the waist. But I could probably wear these to work with some flats or something. And maybe the paper moon top, blue top. But I'm gonna try that on next. But I really like these as well. They're really comfortable. Okay guys, here is the paper moon blouse. It's $38. It has a little V-neck here. It's really cute, lightweight. It pairs really nice with the capris. So this is really nice. It's something I can wear with some jean shorts, tucked in, maybe like tucked in a little bit here and wear like this. I like it. It's really nice. I'll get close so you guys can see it. Really comfortable. I like it a lot. Hey guys, so here is the maxi dress, which is $48, and it's really cute. It has the double straps right here, and it fits really nicely. So I'll bring it down so you can see. Here it is. It has the slits on the side, which is really cute. So there it is. It's really nice. And then I'll bring it back up so you can see the back. The back is the straps. It's really cute. Really nice. Guys, so I'm back with my final thoughts. I just want to let you know the total for the box was $217, and then the 25% discount, which is $54.25 off. My total box came to $162.75. That's phenomenal. But I just wanted to let you know a few things. Unfortunately, I'm gonna see if I can exchange these. If I can exchange these for a smaller size, like a 24, I will definitely keep everything in the box. But these were way too big for me, unfortunately. They just didn't work. And this top here, it's cute, but I don't know. I don't need anything like this. I'm looking for more like off the shoulder, cute stuff. I mean, I could wear this to work, but I don't need any more work clothes. This top here, really like a lot. I'm really on the fence about it. I need to try it on with some shorts to see if I want to keep it. So I'm going to try it on with the shorts that I had on in the beginning of the video, and I'll see what I think. But for $28, it's not a bad deal, since I do wear a lot of these kind of tank tops. Next, this is really cute. I don't know if I need a sweatshirt, but I really love camo, and I don't know, this might be a keeper. I don't know. But last but not least is this maxi dress, this olive. Yes, keeping it. It's mine, $48, cheap. I'm wearing it to work tomorrow. Love it. Okay, so that's my video and that's my thoughts. So please like and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.